Hi, I'm Auntie Sue from Block 428, Clementi. Today I'll be making Raisin Steamcake. Enjoy!
Here are some ingredients that you may need for this recipe. 5 eggs, 2 egg yolks, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of vanilla essence, half teaspoon of salt, 100 grams of raisin, 220 grams of sugar, 230 grams of plain flour, 30 ml of vegetable oil, and 2 tablespoons of low-fat milk. First up, crack all the 5 eggs and add in the 2 egg yolks. Then add the sugar and beat all of it together. Here's a tip. Beat it in a clockwise direction till you get to this texture. Add in the 30 ml of vegetable oil and 2 or 3 tablespoons of low-fat milk. Don't forget to put in your vanilla essence, half teaspoon or 1 cap will do. And beat it together. Next up, the dry goods. Pour in the salt into the flour and the baking powder. And stir all of it together. Stir it well. Then add into the big bowl, bit by bit, and mix it all together. Mix it well till you get to this. Now pour all of it together and sprinkle some raisins. Sprinkle, yum yum. Steam it for 45 minutes. And this is what it will look like. Yummy yummy. And now, your raisin steam cake is now served. Enjoy!